I received a notice on June 16, 2025, that my K Award, a 5-year, $750,000 federal NIH grant to improve care for people with sickle cell disease as they age, was suddenly and unjustly terminated despite strong scientific evidence and early proven results.
Dr. Oyedeji explained how her NIH grant, which would support her early career stage, has been terminated mid-award. I did a little bit more research on the award itself, and I want to provide a little bit more context about why this is so infuriating and why you should be mad too. So Dr. Oyedeji's award is from a specific funding opportunity, which is called the Mentored Career Development Award to promote faculty diversity in biomedical research, or a KO1 grant. A KO1 grant is a training award, basically meaning that it is covering your personal time and effort. It has a little bit of money for actually conducting the science itself, whether it be buying equipment, helping pay study participants. But one of the core parts of training awards is going to propel you into the next stage of your career. And so Dr. Oyedeji most likely put together a proposal which takes up to 9 months from submission to review to actually receive funds. And oftentimes people have to resubmit these grants. But these are things that are very well scrutinized. It goes out to a scientific study section amongst people who are peer experts in that space. They score them, and a very low percentage of people get these awards. So something that's been going on right now is that there are two different or multiple different funding opportunities, some that are, quote, diversity awards because of the actual mechanism of the grant, because there are specific programs that the NIH put in place with the goal of increasing diversity in science. And so after a few people entered into the federal workforce, so you might know, the diversity programs across NIH, NSF, which have been put in place recognizing that there's a lot of kind of similar looking people with similar backgrounds in the scientific workforce for all can. And so I think it's a really important distinction that people think when it's a DEI award that it's just because of the science itself. And no, it's actually because the people that they're trying to promote and bring into the scientific community who are currently not present. And so this is not just about racial and ethnic diversity. This is also something that's explicitly outlined by the NIH that was meant to increase people from different socioeconomic backgrounds, people from rural backgrounds, which are both incredibly important to the full picture of science and the different perspectives that should be brought there. There aren't a lot of experts, even though I think a lot of people here think that there are a lot of experts. And so the individuals who review these different grants, both the diversity and the non-diversity awards, are often the same people going through the same similar criteria for scoring these different awards. Dr. Oyedeji's award was in its second year. So imagine you go through the painstaking process of writing an NIH grant proposal, you go through scientific review, you're viewed as one of the top 5 or 10% people within your field,